Mr. Dubo.
Very much.
In the bit...
out of the abundance of the heart, the mouth speaketh. You heard him, he said that some few days ago, that some people went to give Okowa quit notice and they went to INEC. You can see that from his statement, these people are not desirous to work for APC, that they are working for PDP. He ascribes it to violence. A roadwork that over 20,000 people walked through the streets of Asaba. When we launched the one man, one vote campaign, it was peaceful. There was no fighting. And it was orderly. And the whole nation applauded it. That is what this man is saying, that it was a recipe for violence. Now that tells you, and he's angry that we went to give Okowa a quit notice. You see, when security report says that some persons are working for Okowa in APC, what he has said exemplifies it. This man that is sitting down there with you does not love APC. Now, let me also go further. You see, some people, they take this gubernatorial contest as a business venture. Every time there is a gubernatorial election, they jump out. They collect money from the people and from the populace. As soon as the election is finished, they go away. They know they will not win. And then we in APC now, I'm appealing to the national chairman. I'm appealing to this. Look properly into security reports so that you know people who are genuine. You know people who can win this election. And then you do what is necessary. Direct primary. Because we are planning to, the campaign structure on the ground, we use 2 million votes for Mr. President. And we don't want to jeopardize it. Because you know the importance of South-South to the campaign of APC. Mr. President has done very well in office. And we in the Niger Delta, we want to make sure that we bring APC back to the national fold.
Mr. Dubo,
not sentiment.
He mentioned something here about saving costs. Mr. Karajubo, if I may come in, he said something about saving costs. That having to bring all the members together, first of all, they may not have the resources to conduct that election if you're going to do direct primary. So the indirect will be a lot, because the delegates will be fewer. Are you thinking about that?
The delegate that is going to do Mr. President direct primary, all of them are going to Abuja. No, that's not how it's done. This is how direct primary is done. You go to your ward, every ward, and then it is even cheapest because all the wards, they have ward meeting every week. So they know their members. So at the ward, you send your representative to the ward, at every ward. The elections are done. The result is not taken from the ward to the local government. It is collated from the local government to the state headquarters. And then all the results are collected. It's cheapest. It is easiest. It avoids problem. There will be no fighting. There will be no, because all of the elections are happening at the same time all over the state. So you are forced to be in your ward to see what is happening in your ward, whereby you gather a few delegates and then you go and put them in a center. That is where you are likely to have problem. At times it runs into the night. Some agents will go and put off the light in the night. They will be fighting. You have seen where ballot buses are scattered during these congresses, and that is what we want to avoid. And that, for heaven's sake, I plead with the national leadership. I plead with APC. Do the rightful thing. Declare direct primaries for Delta State. Let everybody, if you are popular, and he has said that his brother wants direct primary. If five aspirants, 5 of us, if all of us want direct primary, why don't you give us direct primary?
Okay, Mr. Ojubo, let me bring it back to Mr. Ogburu here. Because if things are turning out like this for your party at this time, definitely the incumbent is watching your party very closely, and possibly you're self-destructing your party. And that's the comments that we're getting from cross-section of people from Delta State.
Well,
how would you respond to that? Are you self-destructing your party?
We have always been for peace and for unity. But if you have seen and noticed primaries in Nigeria, where they are just delegates, not everybody, you have witnessed the level of violence from Lagos to Port Harcourt, Kano, everywhere in this country. Just delegates. This is a place where you will now have few delegates conducting who are voting. There's so much violence, like you even mentioned now, where they are destroying ballot boxes. So when you now have all the people coming for the election.
But they're not gathered in one place.
No, look,
they're in the various wards.
The various places where the people are gathered. Once you see this do or die politics we have in Nigeria, politics in Nigeria is not a game of saying ideas, superior ideas, I'm selling my ideas, you buy it. People are desperate for power. They are ready to kill, to maim, to do anything. Heartless people. Human blood means nothing to them to get power.
Mr. Boris, the ward members know themselves, don't they?
The ward members know themselves.
They meet every week.
They don't meet every week.
How often do
they meet? From time to time.
How often do you go for your own ward meeting?
Ward meetings take place. Sometimes in a month you have one meeting. Sometimes it depends.
Do you go for every ward meeting? Your own ward?
I attend virtually all my ward meetings.
Do you know all the members in your ward?
You don't
almost all.
I know most of the people.
You know most of them.
And now that we're doing registration, so many new members are entering.
So which one will be easier for you?
The
easiest, sit in your ward where you see the people you know, or to go to a place
the people that are the people that you know are the people who are elected the delegates. It's the delegates didn't fall from heaven. It is the people that are at the ward level that elected the delegates as their representatives. Just like we elect people to the National Assembly as our representative. Is PDP talking of direct primaries? All PDP elections in direct primaries. So are the elections not valid? They're all valid. The election into the offices that are conducted in Nigeria, I've told you, constitutionally are all direct primaries, direct elections.
Well, whoever emerges as
whoever emerges from the primaries, we're all working for peace. We're all brothers.
Will you all support them?
Of course. Anybody that emerges as a candidate of our party, all of us are collapsing our structures and working behind the party. It's not a question of I. It's not an I affair. It's a we. The part at this level now, we are talking this way because we are contending for the office. They want the office. They think we want it. So we are all content. But the moment we finish, we all line up. You saw what Fire did in Ekiti. The moment they finish the primaries, everybody that was part of that contest with him became part of his.
Okay, let me get his own. Mr. Ojugbo, will you support whoever comes out at the primaries? Will all of you rally behind him to ensure that you are successful in 2019?
Of course, that is why we are in the party. Whoever emerges, everybody will come back and work for the person. But if you go and elect a mole, somebody who will sell out to the PDP in Delta State, it will be unfortunate. From what he has said about, so we can see that he protected Okowa. So you know where he's coming from. You can know his thinking. And that is what the party is very worried about. You see, we know the people who can actually work and deliver for the party. The most important thing in this election is president's election. That 2 million votes we are targeting for Delta for president, we want to bring it out. You see, again, what is also utmost importance is that everybody is brought together. If there is a feeling of brotherliness, a feeling of fellowship among party members, people will be happy. Okay. But where you extricate and disenfranchise majority of the party members, it will not. Some people will just go and sit down in their houses.
Okay, that'll be a good place
to energize everybody, to make it possible for everybody to win. We have to do this direct.
Thank you very much.
And I appeal to the national chairman.
APC in Abuja studios, as well as Mr. Turner Ogboru, also a member of the APC in Delta State. Thank you so much indeed for sharing your thoughts with us.
It's a good pleasure.